Hi viewers!
What's up my dudes?
As you might have guessed, there is a young assistant opposite, not Igor of course, but a visitor who's going to assist me in this video today.
British.
You are indeed. And a very unusual name he has, it's Trial. Anyway, yeah, the title of the video. I'm approaching my 9th anniversary on YouTube, and really what has kept me here for 9 years in the precious metals community on YouTube is the interactions with all the other community members, and not just gifts like this, but just the general interaction. But it's always nice to receive gifts in the mail. And this one in particular is from Anna T. Comes via the United States, from Sicily.
American.
It is the United States, that's right. Anyway, so we'll get straight on with this. It is unfortunately upside down, for obviously to conceal the information the other side. So hopefully it'll still work okay, Anna.
You've been on YouTube for 9 years.
That's correct.
That's a long time.
It is indeed.
You are professional. You have to teach me one day.
Right. Let's see. Oh, I can see something Italian.
I have no idea what it says.
Well, that's because it's in Italian. So it looks like we have some stickers there from Anna.
What is this? I have no idea what it is.
I think... Keep being awesome. Always stay positive.
Have you ever received fan art?
I have indeed. I've got a picture from JRW3 somewhere, or more than one picture actually.
Wait, is this her name, Anna?
It is her name indeed. And these pictures are from Italy.
This is cool.
And that is a tea towel.
That looks like, is that, I don't know what that is. It looks like a church. I don't want to assume things though.
So I will have a closer look at this later. Oh, I see a Trial's gone straight for the chocolate. Yeah, I'll put it on camera then. Let's see.
Yes.
The viewers want to see.
I didn't even know it was chocolate. Gotta sip my lemonade.
Well, you see, if Igor was here, he would be able to tell you what that says. He would be able to say it in Italian, because he speaks Spanish and the two languages are very similar. I can tell you it says 50% cocoa. Oh, it's got pistachio nuts in it as well. Look.
Nuts.
Anyway, let's see what else is in here.
I want to open this one. I want to try one.
Why don't you wait until your sister gets back and then you can
Bar?
both have a bit. Yeah, it's a bar of chocolate.
Big bar.
Anyway, let's see what's going on in here.
You'll enjoy this later.
That's it. You can have a look at the rest of the box because it's empty.
Empty box, my favourite.
Yeah, keep it off camera because it's got the details on the other side.
Oh no, we don't want to share the details. The colour.
We have a little scooter.
It looks like an Italian flag. Scooter.
Well spotted. That's brilliant.
Peanuts.
From, do you know what that says down there on the mudguard? Sicilia.
That's the country they live in, isn't it? Peanuts.
Yep.
A rare footage of peanuts.
Not the type you can eat either.
No. First up.
And we have a Mexican un peso.
A knife.
No, leave the knife.
Which is very dangerous.
It is very dangerous. God, kids. Anyway,
oh, squishy.
really that's what the video is about. You know, is that it's been a great community for the past 9 years on YouTube, and you know, well, almost 9 years, 9 years next month. So you know, thank you for everyone that takes the time to watch and comment, and
Participants.
exactly, and for all of those that
I have
send
ruined
gifts
the
as well,
peanut.
even though I don't expect them.
The peanut
But,
is all swirly. It looks like candy.
It does. I wouldn't eat it though.
Oh, I would. It would come out as a big peanut.
Anyway, thank you ever so much, Anna, for all the goodies. It wasn't really wasn't necessary. I thought she was just sending me a letter. It's a bit more than a letter.
Fan mail.
Yeah, fan mail indeed. Anyway, that's about that for that video, and catch you on the next one. So you're going to say goodbye?
Bye-bye.
Right, thanks for watching. Bye.
Chocolate.